Brandon from California, you just finished essay camp. How do you feel?
I feel accomplished. I feel wonderful. I feel like I have a solid essay platform that will get me into some wonderful schools.
So exciting. Now tell me, what is the one thing you learned most about yourself this week?
What I learned about myself is that if I really put my mind to it and if I block the filter that limits my creativity, that I can write a lot, I can express a lot, and just something I didn't know I could do before.
Oh, that's amazing. Now, what was the one key thing that helped you get as much writing done in just 25 hours? What was the one thing?
The main thing was sort of like the structure of the different parts of the essays that we were supposed to do. If I had just been given a prompt, it would have been really hard for me to creatively come up with a whole essay. And so the structure here was really helpful.
Okay, and so I'm guessing you could not have been as productive in 25 hours on your own. Is that right?
That is absolutely correct.